So hey guys, it's Landon's life. I'm gonna be talking about the road trip for a little while. You know that road trip, like the car, like going into the bushes. So I'm gonna be talking like a little bit about that, and we got a new like toy, and I also did, but we will be talking more about these after we talk about the road trip. So fact one. What one? If the car bumped into if there's two cars that went into the road and they bumped together, then they would actually get a speed ticket, and they would also break their cars. Rule 2, if they go too fast and they bumped in and they also went into bushes, then they would be dead. And fact 3, this is the last one, okay guys, so you better listen. If the car went all the way into the bushes and it went around and around and it hit a tree, they would knock over the whole place, and then it would fall on them, and then they would also die, and then they would get dizzy. Okay, so I got this today after my doctor's appointment and my nurse appointment.
That's really nice.
And it can also bend.
What does it do? Oh, it's flexible. Cool.
But it's a keychain.
That's so cool.
And I got this a couple days ago. I got it 3 days ago.
Yep.
I got it like this day.
Landon, what are we doing for Thanksgiving? Where are we going?
To Whoville, and I got the camera hat.
Yeah, or you want
So now follow me.
Okay, let's go.
We're gonna look at some cool stuff.
Are you coming with us, Liam?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
So we're going into my bed. Look at all my stuff in my bed. So look at, I have some Sonic stuffed animals, but I like this one.
How many Sonics do you have?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Whoa.
8 of them.
Look how cool your room is.
And 9 of them.
Whoa, unbelievable. Did you draw this yourself?
Yeah.
This is spectacular. Landon, how old are you?
5.
You're 5 and you can draw like that? That's like a 10-year-old drawing. Oh, wow. Look at all this. Michael Jackson characters and another beautiful hedgehog. Some beautiful Spidermans. Smooth Criminal. There's a Beat It. I don't know which. That's Smooth Criminal, I think. And there's Billie Jean down there.
This deal.
I know.
And I also got a flexible, and I can color here.
So cool. Look at this, another amazing drawing. And I'm gonna put some funny moments. Okay, Landon, tell us what you're about to say.
Okay. This morning, which my brother is just screaming that I'm gonna annoy him. This morning I just saw something weird. Someone has a YouTube channel, but I'm gonna be talking about it because this morning I watched it, and there was a big tunnel, and they were talking about big tunnels. But one thing was, he said, if I was in that tunnel, I'd play Minecraft Xbox, and it'd be super cool. But my voice is kind of horny, so I'm gonna be sounding like an old lady.
That's funny.
So, fact number 2.
Hold on, Sonic speaks in Spanish?
Yeah. There's modes on the back. There's things on the back that you can change the voice.
Whoa.
So it's kind of cool. So guys, you can explore my room if you just say camera. Explore Landon's room.
Okay.
And then it will turn on. Boom. You'll see everything.
You have some super food next to your bed.
Yeah, I eat them every night.
That makes you strong.
Yeah. And I also have to use this in the night time like this. I actually have to squeeze it like this.
Oh, fun. Sonic has a lot of things to say in Spanish.
Yeah. And I can also climb up this whole thing.
Oh, that's... actually, that might be dangerous.
But
you want to
it's
show
kind of
it?
cool. Yeah.
You would take your socks off.
So guys, I'm going to be taking my socks off because it will really look. I will be showing you guys.
Okay, can you turn off Sonic? Because Landon's going to show us something cool. Be very careful, Landon.
I didn't.
Landon. Don't hurt.
I can actually.
Are you doing it on the door or on the wall?
On the wall. On the door.
Wow.
Boat.
Liam, stand back.
Liam.
Stand back, Liam. Landon, be careful. Landon, you're up on the ceiling.
Nah. Liam. Oh dear. Oh no. Yeah.
Okay, Landon, do you need help?
Fall down.
Do you need help? Don't let go. Okay, we're gonna bring Landon down because
I can actually go more higher
I
I can swing from it.
I know.
But I'm gonna just show you that. I'm just gonna show you that I can actually do it by myself.
Oh gosh, Liam, no.
Liam, you actually have to put your foot on the door. That makes it easier.
Yeah, that's dangerous, Liam.
And I can also do this. I'm very good at this.
Whoa, flying chickens.
It's like very...
Be careful, you might break something if you kick it. Do you want to wrap up, Landon?
Huh?
Do you want to wrap it up? Or are you going to keep doing this video?
Keep doing it?
Okay. This is going to be a long video if you don't mind.
What?
You want to do a video too?
What?
Oh, you want me to watch it?
No. Cut those scenes would make it funny. So guys, you want me to color something for you? Guys, tell me if you like this picture. So guys, in the comment below, tell me what's your favorite thing. I'll draw it. But most of you will just be drawing like Mario. I'll mostly drawing that.
Okay.
So I will try to draw that as good as I can. Okay.
Watch your head, watch your head.
Let me look at this Mario head and I'll probably be able to do it. Okay. I need black now. Okay. Kind of hard to draw Mario, but not Sonic. Wait, okay. Mario is like this, I assume. I think.
Yep.
So guys, I just made Mario's head.
Okay, let's see.
Tell me if you like it.
Cool.
I kind of need to make his whoa. Hair. He doesn't really have hair.
Mario.
Amalia. I am Amalia. Oh, oh, Mario. That's all I can do, guys. So this is all I can do. But I'll show you Sonic on the back. Okay. So you want me to show Sonic on the back? I'll try to do it my best. But I will not color it. I'll just tell me if it looks like Sonic. So I'm doing his spikes, his nose, his. I'm doing it very good. This is the most one I like. This is I even like. Look at down here.
Whoa, giant Sonic. With real shoes and gloves. How did you do that?
I made it for pre-K.
That's cool. There's even Sonics down there.
What I use?
Oh, thank you. I get to keep this Mario. Nice.
And Sonic.
Oh, that's right. This is a double. Oh, that's so nice, Liam. Be careful. Don't kiss faces because we're sick. Thank you, Landon.
He just kissed right here.
I know. That's okay. He's a nice boy. Okay. Do you guys want to go to the playground?
Yeah.
Okay. We got to wear our jackets and...
So, guys, we're going to be going to the playground. But when you watch this video, it's going to just say, one day later. So we're just going to go to the playground and we'll make a video of that, okay?